So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a custom audience for your website visit. So actually creating a custom audience for your website visit enables you to store the traffic that comes to your website so you can best retarget them in future. So to do this, click on the hamburger icon here and click on audiences. This brings us up to this page, audience page. So we click on create audience. So once this opens, there's a lot of audience you can create here. You can see we can create audience for engagement, we can create audience for online activity. You can create a lot of audience. So for the aim of this video, we click on website traffic. Then it brings up a dialog box. So on average, Facebook can store our audience up to 180 days. So we choose 180 days. This is the amount of time Facebook will retain this audience. So this audience is for all the visitors to our website. So by default, Facebook provides one pixel ID or one Facebook pixel for one account. So if you have an account on Facebook, you're only limited to one pixel file. So you're meant to install this pixel file inside the header of your website. If you use a WordPress website, there is a plugin that can help you install this file. I think I've already done a video about this. So the purpose of creating this audience is to record the traffic that comes to our website. So when we have an audience of people that comes to our website, we can best retarget them in the future. Probably somebody visiting your website is visiting because he or she wants to know more about your product and services. So if there is a way to save that audience so you can best advertise to them, that's the reason for this audience. So the name of this audience is branded.ng. So also there are other things you included. You can also create audience file for a specific page in your website. As to oppose creating an audience for your website visitor, you can choose to target or save the audience of people who visited a specific page. This might be your thank you page, this might be your contact page, this might be your product page. So this is a way to segment the audience in your website. Let's say you have different products you sell on your website and you want to track each visit to each and every one of those products. You can choose a specific URL for that. Let's say I want to create an audience for people who visit my social media management page. So all I need to do is to head over to branded.ng. So this is my website. So I want to create an audience for people who opt for my social media management or people who visit this page. So all I need to do is to click this page, social media management. So you can see this is the URL. So I copy the URL. I think the page is still loading. So this is the full page. All I need to do is copy the URL and head over to Facebook, then paste the URL. So I want to create a custom audience for this particular thing. So I name it then social media. Now I can add as much as possible. I can add other URL to create the custom audience for it, but for now I just want to do this. So I click create custom audience. As you can see, this may take a few minutes for us to finish matching your customer to provide on Facebook. We'll notify you when the process is finished. You can also check your status in the audience manager. So the next step, you can create a lookalike audience. This is actually people who act and behave like the custom audience you've already created. But for now, I'm just done with this.